Okay, so we're gonna run through these postulates again, this time showing Legos, make it a little bit more physical rather than just some random picture. So here's a plane, just a plane, imagine it goes on forever. I put a point right there. But notice if I put a line on that point, it's not unique. I can spin this around. So there's actually an infinite amount of lines that go through this single point. This is a unique line, this is a different one, different one, different one, different one, different one. All right, it doesn't make it unique. Oops. However, if I put a point here, and then I'm gonna put a point here, now this line can't be moved. Ugh, I'm super strong, but not even me. I can't move that line, all right? So 2 points make a unique line, and that's why we also say that a line contains at least 2 points, like that. These 2 pink points contains at least. There's actually an infinite amount, all right? So that's why that postulate works, all right? 2 lines intersect at 1 point. So just kind of like that, right there. If they intersect, it's always at 1 point. If I move these lines, it's not changing the point, it's only one. And if 2 lines intersect at more than 1 point, it's actually just the same line. So that's why 2 lines intersect at 1 point and 1 point only. Ooh, ah, wow. And I made these myself, so you guys can give me credit with how good I am at Legos. All right, next, all right. So we're gonna imagine that these pink things, or Legos, are the points. And we're gonna talk about a table right now, actually. So notice how if all the points, these pink points, if they're collinear, and this is a plane, if I put this plane down, notice how it just wobbles. I can wobble it. All right, you can kind of see. All right, it doesn't make a unique plane. It can move back and forth. If you make it non-collinear, so watch this. Watch how powerful this is. Boom. Well then, when all 3 legs touch, there's 1 table and 1 table only. All right, I can't move this table. If I move the table, one of the legs come off the ground. All right, that's why it's 3 non-collinear points make a unique plane. Now, just like how any 2 points are collinear, any 3 points are coplanar. So notice how it might be hard to tell, but you just have to trust me. All 3 legs are not the same length. So have you ever been in a table or a stool? If there's 3 lengths, all legs are guaranteed to be on the ground. All right, so right now they're all on the ground, can't move anywhere. Or I can even look like this, watch this. They all touch the other plane. All right, any 3 points are coplanar. All right. If you guys have ever been on a table with maybe 4, you ever had a table, a desk, a stool with 4 legs? Well, sometimes they're wobbly because 4 points aren't guaranteed to be coplanar. Notice how I can wobble it once there's 4. Any 3 points are coplanar. Notice how I can make 3 touch no matter what. So any 3 points can be coplanar. And then lastly, 2 planes intersect, they form a line. This is a plane, this is a plane, they're touching. Notice how I can put a line right where they're intersecting. So when 2 planes intersect, they form a line. Just think of the edge of a cube.